Can you really pack everything you need for a 2-week trip to Europe in just a carry-on? Let's find out. I'm using Monos Carry-On Pro and Monos compressible packing cubes. I'm going to visit more than 4 countries during my 17-day trip, and I'm definitely not dealing with lost checked luggage ever again. Fun fact, it happened to me twice last year. Enough is enough. I'm definitely not a low maintenance when it comes to packing. For my 17-day trip, I want to have at least 17 different outfits, plus some options. The key is to select items that easily can be matched with each other and create additional outfits. This large compressible cube holds almost all of the outfits that I'm taking with me. I also like to use packing cubes because it's very easy to identify what clothes you have once you get to your destination. And it's easy to take out just the stuff that you need without messing up the whole suitcase. I'm always amazed how much smaller this Monos packing cube becomes once you compress it. When it comes to shoes, I'm taking my bulky sneakers to the airport and packing 1 pair of flats and 1 pair of sandals that will fit with everything else that I've got. Skincare is the most difficult for me to pack because I want to take it all. So I'm using small containers as well as some travel size products. Now let's utilize the space that's left. I'm putting my underwear in the small packing cube, and since I still have some space left, I'm packing some additional clothes. I don't like to overstuff this zip pocket, so I'm just putting my dirt bag and some scrunchies. And look at this, how compressible this side of the suitcase is. It will zip easily with all of the amount that I put. And now let's pack the compartment that's outside. That's the best part about the Carry-On Pro because you can put the items that you need to access easily. In total, I was able to pack about 20 different outfits. I think it was pretty easy. What do you think?